Good morning, students. This is the reactivity series of metals. The first element is the potassium, second is sodium, next calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver and gold. The metals which are placed above the hydrogen are more reactive than hydrogen, and the metals which are placed below the hydrogen are less reactive than hydrogen. Students, you learned this reactivity series so you can understand the displacement reactions very clearly. Now, the displacement reactions. Examples of displacement reactions. In the displacement reaction, there is a metal and other is a compound. When potassium reacts with copper sulfate, it forms potassium sulfate and copper. Because potassium is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and form the potassium sulfate and copper. Next is the sodium. When sodium reacts with copper sulfate, it forms sodium sulfate and the copper. Now sodium is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and form the sodium sulfate and copper. Now next is the calcium. Calcium is also more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and takes the place of copper and form the calcium sulfate and copper and so on. Now the elements which are placed below the copper are less reactive. For example, silver and gold. When silver reacts with copper sulfate, there is no reaction because silver is less reactive than copper, so it cannot displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and there is no reaction. And now gold is also less reactive than copper, so it cannot displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and there is no reaction. Now fourth one is the double displacement reaction. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called the double displacement reactions. There is a difference between displacement and the double displacement. In the displacement reaction, there is an element and a compound, but in double displacement reaction, there are two compounds and they exchange their ions. For example, silver nitrate. When react with sodium chloride, it forms silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Now, the ions of silver nitrate are silver and nitrate, and the ions of NaCl are sodium and chloride ion, sodium and chloride ions. So, they exchange their ions. Silver react with chlorine and form the silver chloride, and the sodium react with NO3, it form the NaNO3. Now second example is the barium. When barium chloride react with sodium sulfate, it forms the barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Here Ba combined with the sulfate, it forms the barium sulfate, and the sodium combined with the chlorine, it forms the sodium chloride. Now thank you students.